Welcome, Future Goals. I'm your host, Tyson Tupper, and it's now time for everyone's favorite game show, Know Your Nest, where we explore the world of Endicott's first-year residence halls and test your knowledge. Endicott has many housing options in a variety of housing styles. Each residence hall offers something unique and has its own special character. Now, let's start off with our first category, who's watching the nest? And the question is, who are the residence halls staffed by? Is it A, residence assistant, B, residence director, C, assistant residence director, or D, cruise director? Trick question. The answer is all of the above, except cruise director, because that's just silly. Each floor or building has a residence assistant, or RA, who is an upperclassman living in the hall who coordinates engaging programs for incoming students. Beyond that, all residence hall doors are locked and only accessible to residents of that particular hall. All right, our next category is the basics. As an Endicott student, how much do you pay to wash a load of laundry? Is it A, $5, B, $3, C, $0, or D, none of the above, because my mom will still be doing my laundry? If you answered D, you might want to rethink college, because the correct answer is C, $0. All washers and dryers at Endicott are free to use. In addition, most residence halls have cleaning services to maintain the common areas and common bathrooms, but be advised, cleaning your own room is up to you. All right, on to the next question. LLCs are an important part of the Endicott first-year experience. But what is an LLC and what does it stand for? Is it A, limited liability company, B, living learning community, C, legendary lifestyle coordinator, or D, lemon lime cheesecake? You business majors may have guessed A, and you hungry people may have guessed D. But when it comes to our residence halls, the correct answer is B, a living learning community. These communities offer learning opportunities within a residence hall, where students can immerse themselves in a specific topic through an academic course, activities, and excursions. LLCs offer lots of benefits, like an increased sense of community. Okay, now on to the second half of our show, where we explore all 11 of our first-year nests. Endicott has 11 residence halls exclusively for first-year students. And if you want an easy way to remember all 11 names of these first-year residence halls, just remember this simple acronym. Now, let's run down the options for first-year housing. Our largest 4 halls are Brindle, Endicott, Peter Frates, and Reynolds. Each has lobby security Thursday through Sunday from 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. Brindle Hall was newly renovated in 2016. It features singles, doubles, and triples, and some rooms even have ocean views. Each floor is equipped with a kitchenette and a common room. Endicott Hall is a little different in that it offers only adjoining triples with a shared connecting bathroom. Each floor has a common room and kitchenette. Peter Frates Hall was named to honor the ALS champion and Beverly native Peter Frates, who founded the viral Ice Bucket Challenge. It is the largest hall and features triples and quads with many rooms that overlook the ocean. Another one of our larger first-year halls is Reynolds Hall. It is a beautiful historic mansion and has a very unique feature in that it is said to be what? A, once owned by the heir to the Reynolds aluminum foil fortune. B, made from reclaimed wood. C, the original home of the first mayor of Beverly. Or D, haunted. And the answer is boo! Reynolds is said to be haunted. Reynolds Hall is the first building purchased by Endicott in 1939. It is a converted Victorian mansion featuring mostly triples with some singles, doubles, and quads. And with its unique architectural elements, no 2 rooms are the same. It has a beautiful wood lecture room as well as a grand common room. Legend says that Reynolds Hall is haunted, so even if you get a double, who knows? You may get a triple. All right, now on to our healthy living communities. And we're not talking granola and fruit bars here. We're talking about Hamilton and Wenham Hall. In order to live here, students must sign a pledge. So the question is, students must pledge to do what? A, only eat super healthy foods. B, partake in 6 a.m. jogging sessions. C, refrain from taking alcohol or substances. Or D, avoid eating candy or chocolate. And the answer is C. Students who live here must sign a pledge that they agree to refrain from alcohol and substances. These 2 halls house nearly 30 students each and offer a variety of room arrangements from singles to quads. Now on to our next 5 smaller halls, offering close-knit communities where everyone can get the chance to know their neighbor. Situated up on the hill next to College Hall are Trexler and Brooks. Trexler Hall is a smaller residence hall with a close-knit community. It has a spacious, homey feel and offers a kitchenette and recently renovated common room. It has single, double, and triple rooms. Brooks Hall, right next door, features single and double room arrangements and was recently renovated. Just down the hill is Hale Hall, a quiet community offering mostly single rooms and some doubles, perfect for students who wish to have their own space. Hale is equipped with a full kitchen, an open second-floor lounge space, and newer semi-private bathrooms. Rogers Hall is a smaller residence hall near the ocean that features double rooms and a full kitchen. It offers shaded outdoor space for reading or relaxing. And lastly, nestled on the edge of the woods is Beacon Hall, surrounded by nature with easy access to hiking trails and direct access to Endicott's Mingo Beach. This hall offers double, triple, and quad room options, as well as common lounge and kitchen space and views of the sprawling lawn. Now that we've covered all 11 first-year nests, you're probably wondering, how do you get the hall of your choice? So our next question is, how do students get assigned a particular residence hall? A, it is based on a lottery system. B, we use a dartboard to decide who lives where. C, Gully makes the final call. Or D, it is based on student interest and other factors. And the correct answer is D. Rooms are assigned via a randomized placement based on a combination of factors, including roommate requests, LLC interest, and the roommate matching questionnaire. You are always welcome to request a roommate you found on your own, but we encourage all incoming goals to go random for your roommate. Using our in-depth questionnaire means you'll get matched with someone who has a similar living style. And just remember, our Office of Residence Life has programming to support your adjustment to college life. They host many events to help you meet other students, so no matter where you live, be assured that you'll be fine and you'll love your nest. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Tyson Tupper. We'll see you next time.